Hi, welcome back, my dear students. I hope you're having a great day. Today's an awesome day. We get to learn again, all right? Again. So anyway, before we leave this HTML section here, I don't want to leave you hanging, all right? We study some of the general or most popular HTML tags and we learn about them, but there are so many of them that I could not cover them in this lecture, all right? And I doubt that in any lecture that you take online, they will be covered because really there are many of them and it would be almost impossible. It's not impossible, but it would be a very long lecture. But anyway, I don't like to give my students just the fish when they're hungry. I like to give them a way for them to fish themselves so they can get as many fishes as they want. With that said, let's go online and let's get some more HTML tags. All right, so HTML tag lists online. I love Google. I tell you, me and him are best friends. Go to this first link right here, and this is going to give you most of all the HTML tags you can use. All right. Now, if you want to use any of them, right, all you have to do is just click it, and they will show you an example on how to use it. All right. So let's go and see something that we know already. Image. We click on it and we see that the image has a source like we done before. It has an alternate attribute, and this alternate attribute is just in case the image fails, or for online readers. You know, there are people that are disabled and they can't see. And let me just make this bigger so that way you can see what I'm talking about. You see this alt attribute, it has a value of a smiley face. It's just describing the image itself. That way, when screen readers, for disabled people that can't see the text, when screen readers are scanning the page to pronounce the words, or to describe what it is on the web page, it would find this alternate text right here, and we say smiley face picture to the person that can't see the web page. All right, so this alternate text is used for that. So as you can see here, and we can just try ourselves, and you can see the smiley face there, and we can edit the source right here, and we can mess up the image, of course, and you can see that it says smiley face there. All right, just in case the picture fails, or for screen readers. Right, so this is a good way of finding HTML tags. Another way, let me make this smaller real quick. Actually, right here. Sorry about that. Let's go and go to Google and let's do Mozilla HTML. All right. So if you go to the Mozilla website right here, you can find a lot of information about HTML, even tutorials. All right. But most of this information are for developers, and you already are a developer in a way. You're just learning some of this stuff, all right now. But you can find some really good information from them. They are very a reputable source, and they can give you the best information in the world when in regards to HTML or anything they put in there. I trust them a lot because they know what they're doing. All right, so you can find some more information about using HTML5 audio and video. Some of this that now for some of us, we also need to see things on video. Like me, if I read something, I'm able to know what I'm reading, but I always like to see somebody explaining it to me, and I guess that's the reason why you're here. So we have to do some CSS in the next lectures. I'm going to show you how to start styling your pages with HTML and CSS, and it's going to be a great adventure for us. And hopefully I gave you enough information here for you to find all your HTML tags and play around with them and get you started on your HTML path. Now on the next one, we are going to be doing some styling, so keep really close eye on these lectures here on the next lectures. They're gonna be great. All right, I'm really excited for you, and you should be really excited for yourself because your life is going to change once you learn all these skills. Take care, and I see you in the next lectures.